Today I'm gonna show you how to make this, to make your videos go viral with After Effects. Follow my steps and make sure to watch till the end. So today I'm gonna show you how to create an ink transition in After Effects. I have two clips from Avengers Doomsday ready, so let's get started. As you can see, I've pre-composed both clips. If you're not sure how to do that, check out my beginner's guide linked in the description down below. So first we're gonna put the second clip above the first one. If we want to start the transition here, we need an ink video. Where do you find ink videos? If you look in the description down below, you'll find many ink videos to use for your transition. I'm gonna use this one. As you can see, my transition will start here, but it's not covering all the screen, so I'm gonna make it faster. How do you do that? Is press Alt and click at the end and drag it till here, so the transition will be faster. It's not covering the whole screen, so what I'm gonna do now is press S to change the scale and make it a little bit bigger. So this will be the transition. So what you're gonna do now is we need to link the ink video to the second clip. So how do you do that is to toggle switch. So click here, and now the second video, go to track matte and click on the ink and click on alpha matte once and the second one invert. So this is your ink transition. If you want to let it slowly disappear, you can change the opacity. So how we do that is press T on your keyboard, click on clock, go to the end of your ink clip and put 0%. So what's gonna happen is your ink will disappear. So this is your transition now. To make it smoother, select both keyframes and press F9. To make your transition even better, you can select both clips, right click and pre-compose them. And now add the drop shadow. Let's change the color to green, opacity 100, and you'll see this is your transition. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more After Effects tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.